After 8 days of trading with the market makers method, I was able to cash this profit. You can see this is 908,433, and this is my local currency account. This is not a USD account, but you can see this is the real account, and this is the massive profit. Just this is caught within 8 days. So guys, how I was able to cash this profit might be you have not taken my serious about my last video that I posted on YouTube. I have clearly mentioned that I am always trading against the other traders. Okay, so previously, you know that I am a price action trader, and I was just dealing in the price action, and I was unable to uh, catch a lot of profitable trades because there were some setups that were still failing in my personal trading. Okay, so that takes me to the price action market maker strategy, that how the market makers are eating the money of the retail traders. This is a special way. This is a special way. That is why these profits that you can see on the screen, they are very special. Okay, they are very special. And firstly, this account was doubled, and I already have, I think, posted the video on YouTube about the doubled account. The deposit was half than it before, half than it, even less than half than this deposit. And when my account was doubled and more than doubled, then I have a very big trust in the strategy because it is working all the time, and I had no reasons to not to invest more in that strategy. That is why I have yesterday provided another deposit to my broker, and now you can see my account is getting the good numbers, and this is my balance at the moment. And guys, just have a look, like what I traded gold. Okay, I traded Great Britain pound USD as well, and Bitcoin as well. But this is not about Bitcoin. This is not only about the Bitcoin, Great Britain pound USD. Like if you trade anything, for example, let's take an example. This is the Euro JPY 15-minute chart. I know very well why the price moved up and why this moved up. There is reason. I mean, whatever you trade, Forex, stocks, crypto, I will show you that how the things working and how you can make maximum money by using this setup. Okay, so first of all, many traders contact me that is this an indicator? No, this is not an indicator. This is the just 1 hour session that I will give you, and your all of the trading will be rectified, and you will realize your mistake, what you were doing wrong. So many traders ask, when I open a buy position, market goes into sell. When I open a sell position, market goes into buy. That's the reason. Okay, and that's what I am getting the benefit from it, because whenever you are entering into the buy position, I am entering into the selling position. That makes the thing that makes here a quite big difference. Okay, that is why whenever you are going to take the trades with the market makers who are actually taking the trades, then you can achieve this type of profits. And you can see these are the huge profits on my screen, and this is not a joke, because this is the real account. This is not a dummy account, anything like this. Please check the Telegram channel in the description of this video below. And guys, this is a very serious knowledge. I am very serious this time. Okay, so if you are a serious learner and really want to build a career in the trading, then come to me and book your 1 hour session with me, and your eyes will remain open, because you will be going to learn something might be you have not learned in your whole life. So I am going to open your eyes. So please check the Telegram channel in the description of this video below. You can also send your emails on fxmentor1985 @gmail.com. Thank you very much for watching this video.